Good morning, dear students. Today lecture is about conversation about sports and how do we talk about sports. As you know, sports are a very essential part in our life. It teaches us how to stay strong and healthy and test our physical abilities, and usually when we do certain sports we compete with other people in order to get some entertainment. In the same time, physical exercises being a branch of great benefits for participants. All kinds of sports can bring strong physical health, great team abilities, and strong organization features. So we will start our lectures by talking about the contribution of sport to mental health, and sports help us to get preventing from depression and help us to boost self-assessment. And as you know, people who take part in sport can get benefits socially and develop friendships and treatments. So now we have different kind of sports, and it is a very popular game. As you know, any kind of sports, we have individual sport and we have team sport. So I want from you to concentrate on the following questions that are related to sports, and I want you to prepare your answer for it. Why do so many people like sports? Why are some people not interested in sport? How often do you read sports news? Do you prefer playing or watching sports? Do you have a good or bad experience in sports? So now we have different types of sports, and you need to tell me after answering this question which kind of sports do you prefer and why. Now try to answer the following question. Do you like playing sports in general, and what are your specific sports you like? Do you prefer individual sports or team sports? Why sports are popular in your country? Who is your favorite athlete? So now we have to talk about steps of talking about sports. We have 4 steps to talk about sports. Step 1, you have to name the sport that you like it, and then you have to give reasons, at least 2 or 3 reasons why you like this kind of sport. And you will have the third point, you have to tell us at what time and when and since you play such kind of sport. And the fourth step, we need to know certain thing about an amazing event happened to you when you doing such kind of sports. So briefly speaking, we have 4 ways to talk about sport. First of all, we have to talk about your favorite sport, then your favorite team, then your favorite athlete, then your favorite event. So at the end of our lecture, we have different kind of sport as presented here in this photo. You can see we have volleyball, scissor, running, skating, gymnastics, handball, basketball. All these kind of sports people like to do. Thank you for your listening.